So I was looking for a place to review a product and I decided to fly here in Siargao. I'm here again to do another product review. Let's try to take a look of this drone. This is Potensic Atom 4K drone and I'm gonna tell you the specs, its image quality, and some features about this drone. So without further ado, let's get into it. This Potensic Atom drone is targeted for beginners and for casual users. Even this is just affordable price, you can capture already 4K footage with this drone. One thing that I love about this drone, it's already equipped with a Sony CMOS sensor capable of 4K 30 FPS video or precise positioning and safeties, especially in tricky terrain. Just like DJI Mini, this drone just weighs 249 grams, so you don't need to register this drone if you're gonna fly to other countries. Now let's start unboxing of this drone. When it comes to the package, it already includes a bag, a charging hub, some wires, Type-C wires, a charger, and of course, a remote control. Just a brief overview about this drone. It's an affordable alternative for DJI Mini drone. Equipped with professional-grade features like a 3-axis gimbal, intelligent tracking, ultra-lightweight design, meaning you don't have to register this drone because this is just 249 grams. When I tried flying it using 4K, it reached around 25 minutes. So impressive. And I think I also like its wind resistance. Like, even though it's a mini drone, you cannot really see that it's too windy in the shot because it has 3-axis gimbal. It also includes an optional fast charging hub which charges 3 batteries in just 1.5 hours, ensuring minimal downtime. The price of this drone is just 21,000 with its Flymer combo already, and for the quality of this drone, I tried to capture the photo and you can really see the quality of it. Can capture 12 megapixels, and here's a sample shot using this drone. This drone, despite its size, it can capture 6 kilometers. But since I just crashed my drone, I limit myself to just fly until 2 kilometers. So I was able to test it in Siargao, and here's a sample shot of this drone. I tried to fly and chase some surfers around and it was really nice. As you can see, the image quality seems so vibrant compared to other drones that I've tried. The signal was pretty much stable. Just happened that around 1 point something kilometers, maybe because a lot of people are flying in that area. Since Cloud9 is really famous for people to fly a drone, maybe there's some signal interference happening. So there's just a little bit of delay when it comes to the signal. But thankfully, it also has a home point feature. So make sure before you fly to set your home point so it will go back to the place where you are. This drone has a smart visual tracking. You can change the settings to manual or auto. It has unique features like QuickShots, where you can use pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, boomerang, visual tracking, and waypoint. Also has a zoom feature, so you can zoom in and zoom out. So it has an SD card in here. You can put your SD card in here. Trying to fly right now. My battery, it reached around 25 minutes. Now I'm about 30%. I can say it's really worth it for its price. I think the main downside that I just don't like about this drone is it's so hard to take off because it really needs to be take off in a flat surface. So I was just having a hard time to take off, and I have to put a cloth before I take off this drone. And I wish they added a vertical feature for this drone because yeah, you can only shoot landscape. And there you have it. I finally tested this Potensic Atom 4K drone, and I can say that it's really a beginner-friendly drone, and I was able to test it here around Siargao. The Potensic drone, they have different versions of drones. So I got the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K drone. So it's roughly around 21,000 with remote control and charging hub included already. It's really worth it for its price because you can capture the stunning footage. So yeah, if you're looking for affordable and compact drone with stunning features, this Potensic Atom mini drone might be the one for you. You might consider getting this drone with its unique feature. What do you think about the shots using this drone? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next adventure. Bye!
Kuya, kaya ba kami niyan? Di yan bibigay? Marami na kasing bumigay eh. Ha? Char lang.